Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can run any project downloaded from GitHub or any other platform using AI. First of all you need to do is that you just need to first download your project. So here from GitHub, in order to download the project, you need to click on code, then click here download zip. So it will download the project zip file. Here you can see. So let me just go to the project location and I'll just cut this zip folder and let me just put it over here. Control V. There you can see. So the first thing we need to do is that we need to unzip this project. So let me just right click here and click here extract all, and let's say we'll directly unzip it inside new volume E. So I'm going to click here extract, and there you can see it's done. So right now if we just go inside this folder, there you can see we have the project structure. So right now we're going to use AI to run this project. So for it we're going to click at the top right over here CMD and press enter. After that you need to choose which AI you want to use. You can use Codex, you can use open code which is completely free, or you can use Claude. So for this tutorial I'm going to use Claude. So before you run Claude, I would like to run, instead of Claude, I would like to run this Claude dangerously skip permission. So if we just add this after Claude, it will not ask for a permission while editing or creating a new file. Okay. So I'm just going to press enter, and there you can see. So we are in the Claude Code interface. So here all you need to do is that we need to say here run this project for me. All we need to do is say this and press enter. So if this project requires some software, then Cloud Code will install that software directly in your PC, and then it will run the project. So this will take some time. Right now I'll just fast forward the video until Claude run our project. So here you can see the Claude run our project, and our project is to this location http on27.0.0.on 8000. So I'll just copy this link. There you can see copy it. So I'll just paste it in the browser and press enter. And there you can see Claude run our project, and currently we are in the project dashboard. There you can see. So we didn't have to do anything. All we did was we asked Claude to run the project, and Claude did it for us. There you can see. So yeah, this is how you can run any project using AI, whether it is Claude, OpenCode or Codex. They all have the same capabilities. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.